I'm Engineer Saleh Al-Hassan, the National Secretary of Métis Allah Kautal Hore, the umbrella body of all Fulanis in Nigeria. We are here in Yobe to do three things. One is to swear in our Yobe State Executive ESCO, which we have done successfully. Secondly is to organize a town hall meeting, which we have done to emphasize on the need for peace building, peaceful coexistence, and then to endorse the re-election of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Yobe State, Mai Malabuni, and then support the Tinubu Shatima ticket for the 2023 general elections and all the APC candidates in Yobe State. And also draw the attention of our members, particularly in Yobe State, of the activities of Baba Usman Engel Jarma, who has been actively supporting the Ametukun killer gang and the livestock guards in Benue State that have been killing our people. Unfortunately, he's leading one of the pastoralist organizations. We are so disappointed when we got his letter he wrote to CAC showing his support for that kind of criminal organization that we have been fighting. We condemn it. That's why we decided to come and tell his people here in Yobe State to be very wary and careful with the activities of Engel Jarma, because it doesn't mean well for the pastoralists in this country. So this is primarily why we are here in Yobe State. Thank you. I think fundamentally the farmer had a crisis is as a result of the neglect over years of the pastoralists in this country. They have been neglected. We have been having issues that have to do with grazing areas. Also considering that we have the influence of climate change now across the northern part of the country, and at the same time we have the drying of our water pumps. So you see, this farmer had a conflict. Let me tell you, it's exaggerated. We have basic issues that are disturbing the citizens of this country beyond the farmer had a conflict. But because the pastoralists have been singled out to deny them access to land resources, that's why their crisis is being exacerbated. Today we have been battling Boko Haram for so many years. Have anybody profiled the Kanuri people in this country? Why are they profiling the pastoralists? Why are they profiling the Fulanis? All the criminals that are costing this country billions, they have created a parastatal to take care of prostitutes living in this country, spending billions of hard-earned money. They have created so many agencies to take care of ethnicities that have problems. But the issue of the pastoralists, because the Fulani man have been neglected, and we are blaming past leadership, especially leaders from the north that have failed to come to the aid of the pastoralists in this country. Today we are being profiled all over the country, and we are here to tell our people that, look, this is Nigeria, it's our country, we are going nowhere. We are calling our people that are migrating out of the country